Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to begin with, the Australian dollar nudges higher and my concerns still remain that the fact that we are extremely overbought, as you can see here from the RSI and also from the stochastic, and also the ADX is overheating at 68. It is viewed, while we currently trade at 78.30, that the market will potentially reject this area around 78.55 and look back down towards a support of 77.90. Now a break beneath there would give further exposure and look towards 77.35. So at present, although we're in a slight interim uptrend, I do expect to see the market to foul towards the top side. Well, it would seem that the US dollar breaks down further overnight. As you can see, the euro is now pushing up towards the recent highs in September, August, around the 120.70 area. At the moment, the market is trading around the 60.63. I do expect to see beyond 120.70 to foul. I'm getting extremely concerned also the fact that we are extremely overbought. The market doesn't tend to stay up here very long, as you can see here from previous times. Therefore, I do expect to see the market to remove from this area around the high 120s and look back towards the support at 119.80.85 today. Well, the dollar yen case is breaking down and now looking down to the support of 111.90 to 111.50, with the resistance now coming in at 112.60. Overall, I do expect to see the bulls to defend the region of 111.50 and expect to see a retracement very, very soon. Purely for the fact is that we are extremely oversold to the US dollar case. And also later today, we do have the FOMC minutes from last month, which could put a bit of a bullish case back in play for the US dollar. Well, it would seem that the bulls for sterling are still pushing higher and now looking towards the September highs, and also to the fact is that we are overbought as well in all aspects across the board. Is the fact that the US dollar is extremely low and has pushed all the other markets to the top side of the ranges. So I do expect to see a correction very, very soon. All cheers for the gold as the market pushes higher towards 1,320 to 22 and now pushes it to extreme overbought conditions. At this point in time, I do expect to see the resistance cap around 1,320 and look back to the downside of 1,309. Beyond 1,320.22, I don't actually have a view because we're extremely overbought. And to wrap up with oil, well, the market is still pushing towards the upside slightly, but did fail to sustain. At present, even though we have closed above the $60 handle, I find support now at 59.50, and I'm a little bit cautious to the fact is there is a little bit of divergence here coming through, so therefore we could see a retreat from the current highs and look back down to the first support. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.